Welcome. If you want to lock your applications on the HUAWEI MatePad T8, for the first you have to go for the settings. And right now we have to enter security. Then we have to move to the app lock. Click on enable. And right now we have to select a password for that app lock. And select lock screen password. So let's draw our lock screen password. In my case it was the pattern. And right now we can select the app that we want to lock. So I will go for the calculator and also for the email. And right now we can check how it works. So it was the calculator, right? So we can find it in the tools probably. Yes, here it is. And as you can see, we cannot get access without the screen pattern. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.